Hi everyone, welcome back to Amsterdam Drone Week. I am right now with Rayan Quintaes, he's a co-founder of ADLC. Hi Ryan, nice to meet you.
Hi Lorenzo, nice to meet you.
Excellent. So let's talk a little bit about yourself, your company, and your intentions here at Amsterdam.
Yeah, sure. My company is ADLC. I co-founded this company with Grégoire and Mark Kegelaars, former CEO of Unifly, a bit more than 2 years ago now. And ADLC stands for a drone logistics company. That's very straightforward to understand. What we do is we provide drone transportation services for delivery and transportation. And our focus is high value use cases. So where can we really bring value to the end customers? And today we do it mainly into port environments.
Excellent. And talk me about how you're organized. Do you have your own drones? Do you buy other people's drones? Do you provide services? What is the model of the company itself?
Yeah, we're fully drone agnostic. So we buy the drones and we operate a drone which is the best for the customer. So depending on the use case, customers can have different kind of needs, and we find really technology that best answers his needs typically. So as every transportation company, we plan to charge on a per flight or per delivery basis.
Excellent. And you speak about customers, so I haven't heard about tests, trials, proof of concepts. Are you already past that phase, or how do you find your customers these days? Is there a customer base for your company? Are you still looking for them?
We hate testing and demonstration and trial. We started actually the company with a customer, signed contract 2 years after the creation of the company. And from that contract and from that customer, which is called SGS, is the world leading testing, inspection, certification company, we started to build the business and the operation. So it was really not a technology to customer approach, but a customer to technology approach. All right. And now, we passed that phase. We are already fully operational in the Port of Antwerp, operating from 7 hubs, a network of 7 hubs where we do daily transportation of goods. Yeah.
Excellent. So it's good to hear that. I remember last year when I was here, we were talking about 2023, 2024, we move us out of the POCs into the real business. Seems like you are one of the companies that are already out of there and into the real business. That's good to know and good to hear. And let me ask you a question related to the enabling factors, because again, when looking back at those conversations a year ago, we were talking about what is required, for the industry to go past the challenge of PLCs, and obviously you're operating. So what do you think have been enabling key factors for your company to be able to go past that phase?
2 things, legislation and UTM technologies. That's really, I think, what the industry worked a lot on the past years. And now it's real. In Antwerp, we are already in what is called a pre-use space configuration. So our activities are fully integrated with existing traffic. We get real-time telemetry. We can avoid traffic and react upon it. So that was really the building blocks that leads to creating the industry that we are in right now.
All right. So you are a proponent of use space, or at least UTM services as key enablers for real operations.
We are actually already using pre-use space services. So we have traffic information services in use in real time.
That's great. Thank you very much for this little chat, and good luck with your company.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you very much.